Hi there, hello, welcome to GVisionMedia. I have been searching a lot to buy a very good belt pouch that can be helpful while I am doing my bike ride or when I am on travel and I go for a tourist trip. So I came across one such good product, which is a tri-pole belt pouch. So let us quickly unbox that product and then see what are the various capabilities of this product, how it can be used. This is that product, tri-pole belt pouch. It comes in multiple different colors, but I bought it in khaki. So let's get into the video. I ordered this product in Amazon and it's very much cheap product. Let's quickly unbox and see what is there inside the package. So it's a very strong wrapper, so it has got the tri-pole logo in that. So it's pretty tight packing from Amazon. So this is the overall content in that particular package. On the first look of it, the material looks pretty much premium quality and all the finishing looks amazing. We could also see a lot of packets. Let us quickly look at the specification and the price of this product first. The length, width and height of the product is 27:5:15 centimeters. It's pretty much big to hold any content. The weight is just 183 grams and the material is completely polyester make. It costs only 499 rupees. It has got a lot of inner linings of premium quality, you can see it yourself, and it is waterproof. The zips are pretty much very good quality. There are a total of 4 packets in this belt pouch. The 2 which are on the top are pretty much big and the 2 which are in the front are a little bit smaller. On the front one comes with a velcro finish and another one comes with a zip. On the back side of this pouch, you have got belt loops, a pair of belt loops, which you can use it to attach your pouch to your existing belt. These loops are pretty much strong and lengthy. You don't have to worry about the size of your belt that you are wearing. It can fit into any size of the belt that you are wearing it. If you are already not wearing a belt, even then you can use this pouch. That's the advantage. It has got a triangle hook on both the sides of this pouch, and it also comes with an detachable belt. This detachable waist belt is more than a meters of length, and it has got 2 hooks on its either side. You can use this hook to clip it onto the pouch. There is an clip as well in the middle where you can use it to detach it from your waist and then clip it back to your waist. It's pretty much solid finish. The material looks very premium and the quality is very good actually. The adjustable belt loop is also provided in this detachable belt. You can adjust this depending on your size of your waist. And that's about the overall product. A very good belt pouch comes along with the high quality detachable belt. Let us now put this into use and then see what are all the contents it can hold. I am here trying to carry my spectacles case, my power bank my mobile phone, the charger, and few money as well. Let's see how does it fit in here. As you have seen here, there are more than enough space available in this pouch. You can fit in a lot more that you want to carry for a travel. I have been using this for a while for my bike ride, even within an urban ride or it is a long drive. And I am also carrying it whenever I am traveling outside of the city, as well as when I go on a tourist trip. So it's very much a handy pouch. If you are a frequent traveler, definitely I would recommend you to buy this pouch of very good quality, and it will be very much useful for you throughout the trip. I have been using this for a long period now. It is quite useful for me. The link for buying this product is provided in the description as well. Have a look at it. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, and also you can share this with your friends, family and relatives. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done already. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.